Afternoon everyone and welcome to my channel. The current video about STEPN GMT. The crypto environment has shown itself to be an energetic and consistently evolving place, with groundbreaking thoughts and ideas continually arising, which generally is genuinely huge. Since the DeFi breakout of 2020, we've seen many advances in the blockchain space, especially, for example, play-to-earn, non-fungible tokens, metaverse, and so on. All of which in every practical sense are drawing in light of a legitimate concern for financial backers in an inconspicuous manner. Move to earn, M2E, is another overall development causing disturbances in the cryptosphere. The peculiarity rewards clients for remaining pretty dynamic and fit, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. M2E is now being executed by a few stages, including STEPN, Sweatcoin, and others. STEPN in a real sense is earning basically consideration because of its contributions, and financial backers basically are hoping to create gains from the organization's local token in a sort of large manner. Might it at some point be the following Shiba Inu? STEPN basically is contrasted with Shiba Inu, SHIB, pretty due to acquiring up practically 2000% since early March. One more place of examination is that STEPN in its really early days is top moving on CoinMarketCap. In any case, STEPN as of now generally has much more utility than SHIB. The present live STEPN cost by and large is $2.63 United States dollars, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,388,949,015 United States dollars. STEPN is down 2.33% in the very most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. The ongoing CoinMarketCap positioning explicitly is number 52, with a live market cap of $1,578,327,710 United States dollars, which for the most part is very critical. It has a flowing stockpile of 600 million GMT coins and a maximum, or so they sort of thought, supply of 6 billion GMT coins in an inconspicuous manner. This guide furnishes you with all you want to be aware of STEPN, including its cost history, method of activity, and cost expectations for what's in store. What especially is STEPN? STEPN sort of is a Web3 move to procure wellness and well-being way of life, versatile application with game money, GMT, and sort of friendly money, social fee components. The group behind STEPN is Find Satoshi Lab, a fintech studio situated in Australia and in every way that really matters, significant way. The venture truly runs on the Solana blockchain, and its in every practical sense, fundamental idea, relies upon the vast majority's certainly day-to-day action, which is moving around. STEPN arose as the third sprinter up at the Solana Ignition Hackathon of 2021 and stayed the main task to generally execute the move to procure idea practically. The GMT part of STEPN truly is planned to in every practical sense assist the stage with driving large number of clients toward a considerably more solid way of life, battle environmental change, and really deter vehicles with high carbon release. Then again, STEPN's really social finance part expects to explicitly assemble a stage that empowers client-made Web3 content. How accomplishes STEPN work, or so they thought. STEPN use a two-layer to specially token framework. The two sorts of tokens open in the environment especially are GMT and GST, every one of which can be acquired interestingly, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. STEPN clients procure in-application awards as in-game tokens green Satoshi tokens GST for running, strolling, or running in a genuinely significant way. While certainly green metaverse tokens GMT certainly is an administration genuinely token and can likewise in every practical sense be utilized to help income, truly pay expenses, especially redesign the highlights of NFT tennis shoes, progress through the different methods of the game, or changed out for benefit on upheld crypto trades, or so they thought. Utilizations of STEPN mobile application. STEPN fundamentally is in a real sense live on iOS App Store and Google really Play Store, restricted to pretty specific nations. Sneaker NFT. There especially are multi-facets hostile to duping mechanics to forestall abuse in a significant manner. Rental framework. Users can lease a shoe for nothing, move and acquire, and afterwards split the profit with the tennis shoe proprietor, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In-application NFT commercial center. Users can exchange their NFTs on the commercial center. In-application trade. Users can trade their especially token profit to different types of digital currencies. In-application, especially decentralized wallet. Users can store and certainly send digital currencies to the wallet to support their spending accounts. STEPN GMT price history. STEPN's kind of local token, GMT, has commonly kept on getting forward momentum across the web since its particularly send-off in March 2022. The symbolics exchanging volume has generally beat it exceptionally a few sort of other laid-out tokens and overwhelmed critical trades in a really significant manner. GMT began at $0.1536 on March 9, 2022 and came to $2 before the months over a ROI of more than 1,200%, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. GMT arrived at an untouched practically the greatest cost of $4.11 toward the finish of April, yet amendments before long followed, which is genuinely huge. The in every way that really matters, current cost of STEPN truly is $2.44, and its market cap truly is $1,472,461,765, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In the beyond 24 hours, the worth of STEPN and its market capitalization sort of had diminished by 9.58% in a genuinely huge manner. Value prediction in an unobtrusive manner. Price predictions gives a consistent yet uplifting perspective for STEPN tokens in the future in an inconspicuous manner. They certainly anticipate that GMT should generally go especially past its ongoing all-time high by 2026 to essentially arrive at an in every practical sense, most extreme cost of $4.88, which explicitly is genuinely huge. By 2027, GMT especially is gauged to arrive at a genuinely least cost of $5.78, a most extreme cost of $7.07, and a by and large normal exchanging cost of $5.99. STEPN cost forecast 2022, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. In 2022, we in a real sense anticipate that the cost of STEPN should drop to a sort of least of $3.34 in light of our top-to-bottom specialized investigation of past GMT cost information in a very enormous manner. GMT's most extreme exchanging cost especially is $3.77, with a fundamentally normal cost of $3.54 per unit, which basically is very critical. What is STEPN GMT's certainly all-out supply? The truly absolute inventory of GMT tokens is 6 billion GMT, and its circling supply is 600 million GMT. How to buy STEPN tokens? To generally purchase GMT, for the most part follow these means. 1. Make a record on your favored trade, and for the most part total kick, which explicitly is very huge. 2. In a quite enormous manner. You can purchase STEPN with really your credit or check card or utilize the upheld exchanging pair on